Hello and welcome back to Premier Finds. On my channel, I do a lot of lifestyle, beauty, fitness, and fashion, luxury, high-end, and low-end. So if you are interested in those things, please stick around. Today, I will be doing an unboxing as well as a nice little find that I found at Anthropologie. So let's jump right in. And in full disclosure, I don't know what a lot of it is. I have some ideas, but I'm not real sure. This, I think, is a makeup mirror. And I love that the box matches the color of the mirror. It is by Pop. It also comes with the batteries, and it has a beautiful magnification. Now I remembered why I ordered this. It lights up in the dark, has a beautiful magnification. Oh wow, and I like my makeup today. I don't know if you can appreciate that, but it is beautiful. And I do recall that they had probably 10 to 15 different colors or motifs, and the beautiful thing in terms of gift presentation is that the box matches the mirror, and you have the just the regular look, as well as I think this is a 10 magnification, and batteries come with that. So that is very impressive, and it is called the LED Pop Compact Mirror by Pop Sonic. Okay. And that is from me to me. Moving right along. For my beauty gals, I picked up a Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, in the color, I will show you just a second, Translucent Honey. Laura Mercier, as well as her beautiful powder puff. Okay, I've tried this before. I just wanted to replenish it. It does very nice when you are doing a little baking and or as a setting or finishing powder. I love the mill on this one. It's very fine. Very pleased with that. I also ordered a one from Huda Beauty, and it hadn't come yet, and I can't wait to compare the two. So that was from Laura Mercier. And Tatcha. So you all know how much I enjoy beauty and skincare. Tatcha, one of the best. First and foremost, she does a beautiful job. Tatcha does a beautiful job with their packaging. Usually everything is in the color purple, which is just such a regal and royal, beautiful color. I have been using Tatcha for years. I love their essence. I love their moisturizer. And just look at that. Just look at that. I don't care what that was. That person is going to ooh and ah. 10 out of 10 on the presentation. Beautiful, beautiful. So what comes in this set is an eye cream, a moisturizer, and I'm really excited because, and now it's coming back to me. The reason I chose this palette was because of the silk primer, okay? The silk primer, silk canvas primer. It is supposed to be all the rage. I bet a year ago it was in social media everywhere. It's supposed to help your makeup stay on very nicely. It's thin. All of the products are they're light, yet they are rich and emollient. So, and I know that may be an oxymoron to some, but it is a very good product. And again, this is the Silk Treasures Ritual. So if you are looking at picking that up, it includes the silk cream, the silk peony eye cream, and the silk canvas. So I am really excited about that. And off the top of my head, I'm going to say that this retailed for about $150. So I am really pleased to try that. I've tried a lot of her items. The eye cream I've tried. Oh, and in case you can't see it, these two, the tops, spectacular. And these are little spoons that you use to get the product out, and it is a good guide as to how much you should be utilizing as well. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful. Tatcha. You can get it at Sephora, Ulta, QVC, Tatcha.com, everywhere. So, and as I always tell you, try to get these things in a kit. You'll get a much better value. Okay? More Tatcha. Oh, yes. These are the cutest thing ever. Let me just show you first. These are miniatures water creams, and I just want you to see how cute they are. Okay? Talk about great little stocking stuffers. Oh my goodness. Individually boxed, as you can see. White and green. Oh, I am so excited to add this in stockings. They're quintessential purple, and I'm willing to bet this is blue. Dun, 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 dun. I know my Tatcha. Okay, so this is so exciting. I'm gonna do them this way. Do they not look like little coconut macaroons? I love that. It's the same product. They are just very, it's a weightless and firming, moisture-rich cream. And it's called the water cream. Oh my goodness. The blue is the indigo overnight repair. The white is the silk cream. The green is the water cream. And the purple is the dewy skin cream. So I am so excited about those. Now, one of those I may gift and just keep in my handbag. Let's hope that I am generous and get rid of all of those. But Tatcha, great way to introduce someone to Tatcha. And this is why I got it, because I try to tell people about it, and it is an investment, but this is such a delightful way to share your love of skincare with others. And the thing about it too, gals, is this, or gentlemen, you know, holidays can incur a lot of costs very, very quickly, and you can't do everything for everybody. Kits like this are so nice because you can throw this in with a little coffee gift card and a nice little note, and just to share Christmas joy and love and affection with others. So I'm really glad that I picked those up, and they are nicely done as they are individually boxed. So I'm pleased about that. Okay. Now, this is a new line that I want to try, and it's by the company called Elemis. Now, if you use Elemis, please chime in and let me know what your thoughts are. I am always into, I love skincare so much. I love trying different items, and this was such a deal, and I couldn't resist. I have tried their balming cleanser, and it is very nice. I think I tried it first on a cruise ship, to be honest. But this is the way it comes packaged. The cleansing balm is the yellow one, okay? Then the clear one is the Pro Collagen Night Cream. And we have the Ultra Rich. So this is going to be a little bit richer than the first one I showed you. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich. Elemis, you find it in high-end spas. You find it on cruise ships. It's just a beautiful line. I've only tried the cleansing balm. So again, when I found it in a nice package, I decided to bite the bullet, And I think this one retailed for about $175 or somewhere in there, okay? And I'll have that link below. All right, love that. And you could just stick a red bow on that if you wanted to get it and gift it. I think this is gonna be a me to me, I think, we'll see. I may break it up and give someone the cleansing balm since I already know that I enjoy that. And it works well too. It gets all of the makeup off and it doesn't take a great amount of product, okay? So we have that. I am going to digress over to something that I got from Anthropologie. I hadn't been in Anthropologie in a very long time. I was at Nordstrom standing in the coffee line, which was very long, and over to my left was the store. And something caught my eye and I promised myself after I got my beverage, I would zoom on over there. And the first thing I want to do is give it up for them in terms of their packaging. It was really, really pretty, okay? I love that, love their packaging, okay? And first thing I want to show you is a candle that I picked up from them. I love the way they boxed it up, provided a gift box for you. And the reason I got this candle is because the scent was so fresh, and I love the romanticism, if you will, of the jar. And they had one going in the store. When you light this candle, all of this illuminates. All of this illuminates. And even from here, I can smell how fresh it is. It has a very nice throw. They had some going in the store. Beautifully done. I think this one was, $48, I think. Beautiful. And I like that it's so neutral. It can go to me with any decor. I like that. It is silver, has some black etching, and it is called the Capri Blue Volcano Fragranced Candle, okay? And once it's done, how nice is that going to be in your bathroom or on your vanity, okay? But what really got me in Anthropologie is this little number. And I just so happened to be wearing these shades that day, okay? So that you get the full effect. Happened to be wearing those, and I tried this on and it was a winner. I just thought this was the cutest wool hat that does not itch with rhinestones. I think that is going to be so beautiful with any colored coat, a leather jacket, just whatever, denim. I just thought it was delightful. It is very warm. It is going to be a gift for someone. This was $48, and these rhinestones are not just glued on, they are firm. They are firm. You can't just go and willy-nilly pull that off. They are on there, on the front and back, all the way around, not cheaply done, okay? And this is, yeah, marine wool. So, beautifully. One size, okay? I have a fairly large head, seriously. And I tried it on, beautiful. And in case that's not enough and you need just a little more bling, look at that scarf, friend. Would you look at that? First of all, I love the length. It offers you the flexibility to go around and around if you want to, and tie it in a variety of ways. The rhinestones are on the lower part of the scarf. Okay. And I love that. I have not been in Anthropologie in quite a while. Years, actually, years. And I am so glad that I went in, and I will be frequenting their store again. And wanted to show you their nice little tote bag they give you also. All right. Beautifully done. Beautiful. So, excited about that. Now I'm going to go back to some other packages, and I'm going to wind it up because I know that this is going to be a little long. How about I end it with No, save that one. I'm going to do this. Dior, my love. All right. Go right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What's in it? I don't know. I don't remember. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, yes. I'm so excited about that. Their bronzer. The packaging on this bronzer. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Is that not beautiful? And I am tempting to get the lipstick cartridge or holder as well in that same beautiful motif. And if you look at that and you look at their Christmas packaging this year, one and the same, okay? It comes in 2 shades. I got the darker shade. And it is an illuminizer, I'm sorry, limited edition. And I got the Coral Lemur, okay? Beautiful. I think you'll be able to pick that up. But it is so pretty. It is so pretty. Beautiful packaging. There's the back, nice mirror, and it comes in 2 shades. And this one is the Dior Forever Couture Luminizer in the 002. And it also comes with a now I didn't order it, lipstick cartridge, okay? Beautiful luxury illuminator. Love that. And because I got that, let's see what else we have here. Oh. Okay. As you all know, I've mentioned in other videos that because I am a platinum level member, they give you a lot of freebies or complimentary items with each order. These are signature size items. So they gave me the Capture Total. Have a lot of those. A lot of those. That is a very nice size freebie, if you will, or complimentary samples. And then I also got the cleanser, which is very nice as well. And on top of that, they gave me Miss Dior mascara and the J'adore. Okay, beautiful. All right, and again, when you guys get these, save them. Put a lot of samples in there along with the Starbucks coffee card, and I'm telling you, you're gonna be golden. You're gonna be golden. So I don't want this video to be too long. I do have other things, but I want to split those up. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe, as I will have another unboxing later this week. I hope that you guys are having a great holiday season, and I will see you soon. Au revoir.